Okay, we are having a different background today because I travel home for Christmas. Right now, I'm in Oba, Idemili South local government area of Anambra State. Okay, so that's why it looks different. So I'm not in my studio. Today, we are going to learn how to upload videos on Facebook. All right, if you're a content creator and you want your content to be found on Facebook, this guide puts you through on how you can upload your videos on a Facebook page. Let's get started. To upload video on a Facebook page as a creator, the first step you need to take is to open your web browser. So here I'm using Google Chrome for this, okay? So I'll double click on it for it to open. As the web browser opens, there is a link that you visit. That is this link, business.facebook.com forward slash latest forward slash composer. Visiting this link will allow you to upload videos on Facebook, okay? So the videos we are talking about are just full videos, not reels. We know that reels go viral. They're like YouTube shorts, but they don't earn enough money. They don't earn reasonable money. So once you type this link, I'll have it in the description. Press the enter key of your computer keyboard or you search, okay? All right, so you'll be landed on a page like this. Okay, you can see my page name, Godwin Tech 247. All right, so your page name will be listed here. If you're not signed in automatically, just like mine, because I have been signing in using this browser, what you need to do is sign in with your Facebook account details. All right, so you'll be landed on this on your page. All right, if you are landed on your personal Facebook page, just switch. All right, your personal Facebook account, just switch to the page. And once you're here, you're good to go. So the first step is for you to start the uploading of the video. So click on this add video. Then select the source of the video. Is the video available in your computer or is it from File Manager? All right. So in this case, my own is available on my laptop because I'm using laptop. So I'm going with the option upload from desktop. All right, so you may be landed on a different folder, but what is important is that you need to navigate to the folder where the video you want to upload is saved. All right, so here I have a folder name I call June 2024. Okay, that's where my video files are. Okay, and be conscious of this. When you come to this site, click here and select video files so that it will show you some videos that you have in that particular folder you selected. All right, so there is a video I want to upload here, so let me get to that video and get that uploaded. Okay, so look at this video here, this file I named WhatsApp iPhone. That's the video I want to upload. All right, so I have the video ready on my YouTube channel, but I want to start building my followers on Facebook as well. So click on the video and select open option. Okay, so hold on for the video to be uploaded. Okay, so here you can see here post details, custom Facebook for customized post for Facebook and Instagram. My Instagram and Facebook are linked in this case, but I want to add title because Instagram doesn't have the option for title. So I will turn on this button. I'll click on that for it to be turned on. The video will still be posted on Instagram, quite all right, but for Facebook, it allows me to add title. So ensure you turn this on and add your title and the description. This will make your video to not only be found on Facebook quickly, but also on search engines. So it's very important, okay? Okay, you can see I've added my title here, which states how to use WhatsApp on iPhone effectively. All right, with this subheading. And this is description is very important, as I said before, because it will help you to rank high. You can see hashtags here, WhatsApp mobile, WhatsApp tips. All right, so fill in some tags that are related to what you're talking about, hashtags, okay? Then I have timestamps here because I copied this directly from my YouTube channel. All right, because I've published these videos since June of this year, 2024. Okay, so you scroll down here, it suggests some thumbnails for you. All right. The thumbnail you are going to use is the same thing, the same dimension with the thumbnail for YouTube. All right. So that's what YouTube, Facebook recommend. The thumbnails are the same in dimension. All right. So if you have already created thumbnail for their particular video on YouTube, just pick it up. Okay. Or you can pick from the suggested ones. Let's say I want to upload the one I have already designed. So for you to do that, click on upload image. All right. On clicking on upload image, you can see this option upload image button here. So click on it. Okay, so this opens the folder I previously accessed whenever I want to upload thumbnail. But if you are landed on a different folder, maybe documents or downloads or picture, just click on the folder, one of these major folders, and navigate to the folder where you saved the thumbnail. Okay. Then here I am. You can see it's showing no or nothing here. It's not showing anything here. So what you need to do is click here. Come to this place. You have this information, custom files. My PC runs Windows 11 operating system. So that's how it structures it by default. So click on this custom files and select all files option. All right. So this will display all the files that are available in that particular folder. All right. So I will navigate, I will scroll down to get to the thumbnail I want to use for this. All right. All right, so this is the thumbnail I want to use. I think that's it. I'll click on it because it will show me preview. If it's not it, I'll come back here and choose another one. I'll click on open. So do the same from your end. You can see that is WhatsApp for iPhone tutorial. So that is it. Then scroll down here and add tags. All right, something that related to this. Maybe one of the tags I will have here is use WhatsApp. Okay, on iPhone. So add some tags that relate to what you have in the video. All right. So I can have here add WhatsApp wallpaper because I discussed that in the video. All right. Wallpaper. After that, press enter key of your computer keyboard. Then WhatsApp background. So free as many as you can remember. All right. Enter. It's okay. I'm okay with this. So on my own convenient time, I can edit the information. Then once you're done with this first page, click on next. On this next page, it's telling you that they are still running scan to ensure that my video does not have any copyrighted content, so I got to wait. Okay, but before that, let me talk to you about some things. If you want to schedule this video, click on this schedule tab. All right, when you do that, select a date, click here and select a date you want to schedule it, and then click on this Instagram because my own is linked to Instagram too, and select the date you want to schedule it. You can click here and choose time, click here and choose time after the selection of the date. All right, then after that, you scroll down to this section and click on schedule button. But here, for the purpose of this video, I want to publish this video right now. So I'm going to go back to this share now tab, and then I will wait for this to finish scanning and ensure that my content is free from any form of copyright before I hit the publish button. Okay. Okay, you can see the copyright check is over. It says copyrighted content was not detected in your video. What this means is that once I get to the level of monetization, this video will be monetized. So before you proceed to any next step, ensure that you allow this check to be completed. All right, so scroll down and then get to this section and click on share. So hold on for this to finish the last check because it's trying to publish on Instagram. Done. All right, so I'll click on done. And at this point, this video is now on my Facebook page. It is that simple, okay? If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss a lot on technology, self-publishing, and YouTube education. So if you are interested in any content of these types, consider subscribing, okay? Hit the like button and then watch the video on top here so that you learn more on anything that has to do with tech. All right? Thank you and see you some other time.